Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, usually around 3 or 5. Some I seen even 10 accounts. All right, but we only using one because I want to show you, get your foot in the door, you know what I mean, and show you the type of results I'm getting with just one account, and show you how easy it is to make money online. This is the absolute laziest way to make money online, guys. All right, guys. So anyway, if you're interested, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. So first off, let me speak on why I like promoting the $25 business and the company behind them, Home Business Academy. The reason I like promoting them is because the affiliate system, which is 80% commissions, but in particular the $25 business is 80% recurring commissions, and you get 20 to like $100 dollars every single month from one customer. All right, one customer does that. All right, now we're just gonna check out results here. We're gonna refresh the page. Make sure the page get refreshed when you guys check results. All right, guys. All right, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Which is nice, man, real nice. All right, so that's a good thing. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna show you guys exactly how to do what I'm doing here. All right, guys. So the first thing you need to do is get your affiliate link. Now to get your affiliate link, this is what you gotta do. Now you in one of my videos here, in any one of them, you should get down here to the bottom here, and there's gonna be 2 steps. Step 1 and step 2 here. Now you want to click on incomespeaks.sales right here. This link right here on step 1, you want to click on that. It's going to take you to this page here. Once you get on this page, it's going to explain that you can get your 20 to 100% monthly, $100 monthly commissions, up to $120 for each single customer. All right, guys, which is very, very good. And yeah, man, this works. I'm telling you, this works. All right. But anyway, it's just more information on the $25 business here, and we're gonna click yes, I want in. Once you decide, you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page here. You put in your information, billing information, all that good stuff, right? Now you get it, you buy it for $25. Now I recommend you click on this because what this is HBA Premium, basically training, constantly updated. It's also a content machine where you can just type in what you want, it'll give it to you, stuff like that. And now that's $125 per month, but you can get it for free for 14 days. You click on the link below. Now I recommend getting this, and this is why. You have to own products to get commissions for them. For example, like say you come in, you do not get this, and you get the $25 business, right? Then you get somebody in the system, and they said they want to try this right here. They want to try this product out. All right, they're gonna get this too. Now, once they pay the $100 for this, you'll get the $20 for the $25 business. But once they pay the $125 for this, you will not get that $100. All right, guys, if you don't have that as well. So that's how that works. So you have to own the product to make recurring. You make commissions off of them. So very simple process. So once you go through that, you'll get to this page here. Once you get to this page here, you log in real quick. Very easy. And you'll get to this page, something like this. Might look a little different, but this top part will be the same. And what you want to do, you want to click on the affiliate zone. You click on the affiliate zone. By the way, it's videos explaining all of this. I'm giving you a more abridged version, very quick version of it. But yeah, once you click on the affiliate link, you click on sign up for the affiliate program here. It'll take you to this page here. And very simple information here. Very simple. You know what I mean? Very easy. So yeah, you put that in, and then you can log in the SoundCard. Log in the SoundCard. It's gonna take you to this page here. But we started at the beginning, and it's gonna give you, let's see here, all your links. This is the link that you want here. All-in-one $25 business sales letter. That's the one you want to use here. That's what takes you to this page. Well, this page here. All right, guys. All right, that's all there is to that. So once you got this link here, Now you want to go back here and go to step 2 here, my lead gen secrets. You want to click on that. It's going to take you to this here page, and this is a video. It's going to tell you exactly what my lead gen secrets is, and TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day that you can email every single day. All right, guys. Now these email leads are interested in making money online, so it's perfect for a product that we are promoting. So anyway, you want to make you an account, log in, do all the things, right? All right, so you get in here. These are your leads. You can click on them and get your emails, all that good stuff from them. All right, so master email swipes, you don't really need them, but you can buy them if you want to, because I give you a ton of swipes you can use. You can try them if you want to. But anyway, go to the mailing system here. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna click on 100 leads here, and we're gonna go down, and we're gonna try our next email here. Right here. Gonna get on this one, load this one up. Let's build your money income. You can just copy that information. This right here, I'm gonna show their real name, guys. They're telling like Jenny or Bill or whatever they use. So that's why I put that there. But anyway, yeah, you just copy that, and then you got that in right here. You just copy this email basically. Pause the video, copy it. All right, guys. You just copy it right there. Pause, copy. Keep doing that. Pause, copy, and I'm just showing you pause, copy, and you're done. That's all it is to it. All right, so you put your link right here, guys. Very simple process. You click on this right here and then put the link in. All right, and you want to click on perfect timing. They'll send an email around time. People check emails, and you want to preview and make sure your link works. You want to make sure your link works. I'm gonna check real quick, and my link does work. All right, guys, my link does work. It loaded up. So yeah, that's all it is to it. You just send an email and you're done. That's all it is. And I want you to understand something. Once you get a bunch of emails in here, this is all you need to do. This is all you need. This is the only part. You only need to do this part here. Just log in, send an email. That's all you gotta do. Just pick an email, send it. Take you less than 30 seconds to do every day, guys. Absolutely laziest way to make money online. I recommend doing it. And that's all it is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.